Hello there and welcome to this English lesson. This particular lesson is on a topic called its and its. Well, apostrophes are used to shorten and join words together. For example, it is my parrot, and that can be shortened to it's my parrot. They also show when something belongs to someone. So Sean's parrot. These are called possessive apostrophes. The only exception is it, which never has a possessive apostrophe. The parrot flapped its wings. So let's give you some examples and show you how this can actually work. So let's have a look. So the word it's with an apostrophe stands for it is or it has, and it cannot stand for anything else, just it is or it has, such as it is my parrot. So that's the first example. Let's show you the second example. The simple word it's means ownership. So something that belongs to someone. So for example, it could belong to a his or a her. And just remember that it's with an apostrophe is short for it is or it has. Now, if you have an example in front of you that has the possessive apostrophe, you can open up that word it's to it is and it has. And if you read the entire sentence and it doesn't make sense with the words it is or it has, that means it's with an apostrophe will not apply in this case. Let's have a look at the first example. So it says complete the following sentence. Complete the following sentence by choosing its or its from the options provided. So the cat licked its paws. So either you've got option A or option B. If you use the word it's without an apostrophe, the cat licked its paws, it makes sense. But if you were to open up the apostrophe itself and use option B, the cat licked it is paws or the cat licked it has paws does not make sense. So in this case, I would go for option A. This way you can trial and test every single phrase that you get to determine which type of it actually is. Good luck with this. Thank you.